Okay, so AI is everywhere, right? And the hype, wow, it can be pretty deafening. So today, what we're going to do is cut right through all that noise. We're going to give you a practical, real-world playbook for finding and using AI that can actually make a difference for your business. Let's dive in.
And that's the real question, isn't it? This isn't about chasing the latest, shiniest trend. It's about solving real, everyday problems. So, over the next few minutes, we're going to walk through a clear framework together to pinpoint exactly where AI can fit into your operations. All right, first things first, let's get inspired. We're going to take a quick tour through a few different industries just to see how businesses are already using AI to get ahead. And this isn't some far-off sci-fi stuff. This is happening right now. Let's start with something we've all done, shopping online. The last time you did, you might not have even noticed it, but AI was almost certainly your co-pilot for that whole experience. Yeah, it's just buzzing away behind the scenes. You know those product recommendations that feel like they're reading your mind? That's AI. Or the inventory systems that predict demand so your favorite product is always in stock? That's AI too. And of course, the chatbots that answer, "Where's my order?" at 2 a.m., freeing up your human team for the really tricky questions. These aren't just neat tricks, they have a huge impact on the bottom line. Okay, so what about businesses that aren't selling physical stuff, professional services, consulting, legal, accounting, that kind of thing? Well, here, AI is all about amplifying knowledge and saving that one thing you can never get more of: time. Just imagine this. You could basically eliminate the blank page problem forever. An AI drafts a solid first version of a proposal based on your past winning bids. I mean, that alone could save your team hours every single week. Or what about this? Instantly summarizing all of your past work and industry research on a specific topic. That's the kind of power we're talking about. But hey, this isn't just for people sitting at computers all day. Let's get our hands dirty and talk about the physical world. In manufacturing, AI is an absolute game changer for efficiency and quality control. I mean, really think about this for a second. Instead of waiting for a critical piece of machinery to break down and grind your entire operation to a halt, AI analyzes the data from its sensors to tell you it's about to fail, so you can fix it before it becomes a crisis. On the production line itself, AI vision can spot tiny defects with an accuracy that's way beyond human capability, preventing those super costly recalls. Okay, so we've seen some cool examples. You get the idea of what's possible. But here's the secret. You don't find these opportunities by looking for places to cram in AI. You find them by looking for pain. And that's what we call the pain point audit. And this is your blueprint for doing just that. It's a super simple 4-step process that anyone can use. First, you're just going to list out the stuff that's frustrating, slow, or just plain annoying. Then we'll categorize them, see if AI is even a good fit, and finally decide if it's a quick win or something bigger and more strategic. And here's what that looks like in practice. You take a vague complaint like, "Ugh, writing proposals takes forever," and you turn it into a specific opportunity. Use an AI to draft the first version. Or, "We're drowning in support emails," becomes a clear use case for a chatbot to handle the simple, repetitive stuff. See, this is all about solving real business problems, not just playing with new tech. Now, before you get all excited and dive in, you gotta ask these 3 really important questions. Think of it as your reality check. 1, do you even have enough data for an AI to learn from? 2, is the problem really clear with a specific goal? And 3, maybe the most important, does it actually make financial sense? What's the return on investment? If the answer to any of these is no, it's probably best to move on to the next pain point. Okay, so you've used the audit, you've found a great potential project. Awesome. But how you get started is just as important as what you start with. So let's talk about the smart way to kick off your AI journey. So you really need to understand the difference between 2 types of AI projects. A quick win is just what it sounds like. It solves one specific problem, it's easy to set up, and you see the benefit almost immediately, like using AI to help draft emails. A strategic project, on the other hand, is a much bigger deal. It's a long-term play that usually involves deep integration with your other systems. Both are valuable, but one of them is definitely where you want to start. And that brings us to the single most important piece of advice here. Start small. Get that first quick win on the board. This does 2 things. It delivers real value right away, and it gets your team comfortable with this new technology. It builds confidence and momentum. One small win makes the next one that much easier. All right, listen up, because this next tip could literally save you thousands of dollars and a whole lot of headaches. before you even think about buying some fancy, specialized, industry-specific AI tool.
Ask yourself this one simple question first. I'm telling you, you would be absolutely shocked how many of these pain points, from writing social media posts to analyzing customer feedback, can be solved or at least prototyped with a general tool you can start using in the next 5 minutes for like $20 a month. Always, always test your idea here first.
Okay, so let's put it all together. Here is your smart selection process step by step. First, define the problem really clearly. Second, test it out with a cheap general tool. If and only if that doesn't work, then you start researching specialized software. And when you find something, pilot it. Start small. Don't go all in on day one. Test, measure, and then you can expand. And that's really what this is all about. This isn't just something to think about, it's something to do. So take a look at your own business. What's that one small, repetitive, frustrating task that you could try to solve with an AI pilot, maybe even next week? Because that is how you finally move from all the hype to reality.